Google Classroom. Today we're going to show you some different features and ways you can use Google Classroom to help your students outside of your classroom. So it's kind of like a social media type thing. So first of all, we're going to show you how to post a video to your class. So this is your class, this is where you post, and this is where you can just paste your link to any video from YouTube over here, and just share it. So this is a video on how to write a lab report. I said, hey, watch this video for tomorrow. And it kind of can give you different supports outside of the classroom. Okay, so next, we're going to create an assignment. So we'll do a lab report, and then you can add little instructions on the lab report. And then, create and hand in the lab report using the format in the video. So that's kind of how I use the video to help the assignment. You can change the grade value of the assignment. Add a due date so that they'll be notified when things are due. Assign. Okay, so now you'll see, view the assignment, you can see who's handed it in yet, and okay, so then I see here, alright, so Blaine's handed in his lab report now, so I can click on it from there, and I can see, just like that, right through Google Docs, I can see his assignment, so here it is. I'm not sure this is exactly what I was looking for, so here, I'll leave Blaine a little comment underneath. And it'll just be a private comment just to him. Hey Blaine, please rewatch the video. Now I can tell him to resubmit it. Try again. Won't mark it yet, so I can also give him a little bit of feedback straight on his document that he handed in. So this will be another little private comment. I'll say, hey, nice pic. It's a good picture of a bee there. And yeah, I'll return it. Won't mark it yet, and let him try again. Just a little bit of formative assessment there. Okay, so I can also look through people. So here's where you see all your students. You can see what they've handed in yet. You can see all your comments on the assignment there too. If you click marks, you can see all the marks on your students' work. Yeah, here's where the settings are too. So we found that Blaine wasn't able to see any marks that I was leaving him, so we messed around in the settings a little bit. That's how you would change it so that they could see it. Here's some things that Blaine added also. Here's a couple different videos he added, and then he had it as a question so that you could have an answer there. I showed a little private comment on the right there and a little class comment, so that's how I could interact with people in my class, my teacher. Here's another video he added as well, and he actually has a little quiz on here as well, so I'll show you how to go through a quiz from the student's perspective. So it asks for an email. I just put one in quick there, and then yeah, you'll see just like a little multiple choice quiz, and I think there's even a little short answer question as well. I'm just running through this, not actually doing this right, but it's cool. Okay, so I submitted it. Okay, all done. So now you'll see where it says 5 points there, that's where my grade's going to be, so assume some time has passed now. I go back, click on the geometry quiz, I see my mark up there, 0 to 5. In addition, he also gave me some feedback there, he gave me some private comments on the right. You should come see me after class today, we can work on a few problems. So that'll just be an anonymous question, I'll just be able to answer them like that, and then yeah, it's kind of just a good way of giving some feedback as well on a quiz. Let's see. So back to my class where I'm a teacher. So now I see Blaine left a little comment here. It's a little bit of negativity on my public wall. So that's one thing you got to keep mind of with using social media, using stuff like this. All the students are able to post whatever they want. It's complete freedom. So as teachers, we gotta really monitor this kind of stuff. Hey Blaine, this type of language is just not acceptable in my learning environment. Post. As well, I can also go back and I can delete it, or I'll just mute him altogether. That'll show him. I'll just delete his post and I'll just mute him. Alright, so that was a little quick overview of Google Classroom, some of the different features that you can use on there as a teacher, and the way that it looks from the student's perspective as well. So yeah, hopefully this gives you some ideas for how to use this in your classroom.